Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Gochi Academy's creative art activity for children, and I'm Meenatchi Gopal, founder of Gochi Academy of Creative Arts. So today we are going to see some of the very funnest activity, and it is definitely going to be amazingly interesting and fun for children because we are going to see a very simplest form of mixed media. So let's just go ahead and watch what it all involves and I'll see. And for this activity I'm just going to use the newspaper and a piece of normal sheet. So I've already drawn a doodle bird and I have just cut it on the shape, just the outline of it, and have the legs here. Let's keep it aside. So now I'm just going to give a background because background is very important for the mixed media. So for the mixed media you can use any art materials, but I'm going to use newspapers today, and we'll see how it is going to turn out. And I have a flat brush for the background, and also I have the little thinnest brush to give a highlight. So I'm just going to start with this beautiful vibrant color as a background. And since you're applying the color and it is not going to dry so very quickly, you don't need a glue to stick these newspapers. So you can use any materials that you find in your house and you can use them. And I'm not going to use the glue today, and I'm going to show you how well it sticks even using the color at the bottom. So it is a little bit thick, it is not very thin. So I'm just going to paste it. Perfect. Yeah, and let's just do the legs. Yeah, the placement is little important, but you will get it. You will get it when you just do a couple of works, so you don't have to worry about it. Yeah, look, it's all stuck and it's perfect. So now I'm just going to give a little bit of a highlight, just a border lines on the bird, just to show a little bit of separation between the background and the real bird itself. So as I already told you, you can stick multiple art materials here and there. You don't actually have to stick with drawing a doodle bird. You can draw anything that you like, or you can just do any random shapes or anything that you like. Just explore and find out what materials that you have at home and try to bring out something like that, and make sure you just give a little bit of outline, and you know what colors you need to use. So the colors are absolutely your choice. And slowly, this is going to help you with real patience, believe me, because you need to be like really concentrating when you're doing these lines. So it's going to make you concentrate more and also helps to have some patience. And the eye. So just try to do anything that you like on your sheet. As I always tell you, don't expect any results because you're just going to explore, and any work that you do, it's going to be a masterpiece because the work that you do is the only work that you have in the whole world. So any work of yours is going to be your own masterpiece. So be proud and explore. So some curvy lines. So just do a little bit of decorations. And some little tail. Look at that. It's a very simple and 2 minutes work. So hope you have enjoyed this beautiful vibrant orange color background. In my academy, this one thing we always follow, which is applying the background for any paintings that we do, because it not only gives a beautiful look, it also looks a very professional piece of art. So this is just a doodle bird, and you feel free to explore more patterns and add more elements to it. So you keep exploring and be creative. I'll see you on my next video. Until then, thank you very much for watching. From Meenatchi Gopal.